Alright, we back out here at the pool party with the swim up bar. I'm about to teach Wu how to swim. I'm gonna teach him how to swim, y'all. I'm gonna teach. First, you just gotta go underwater. You gotta go underwater first.
It's not Star Wars or Avatar.
No, is it Transformers?
It is Transformers! Just like that, Team R gained 2 whopping points.
After a day at the pool, we had the 50th birthday party for me and Kenya. She put together a fabulous all-white celebration. We had, as you can see, cake. We had a big spread of food, open bar. We had aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces, nephews, and families from all over that came to celebrate with us. So it was a great time. I don't think anybody had nothing to complain about, and we partied hard that night. And then T-Dot gave us a special performance, him and Mello. So we got it cracking, and then everybody hit the dance floor. Guys doing things back out in the grill. About to go ATV riding. So it's already hot. I know y'all hot, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. Mello back there getting it in. Mello, say what up.
Hey, you already know what it is. Just a couple guys doing things.
Dot. Right, I know. Believe he under there.
We're on the way to the ATVs right now.
We about to get it popping. Uh-oh. What is that? Got the little sports cars. Got the sports cars up in here. Okay.
Oh, they are okay. Fast and Furious, Jamaica style.
Yeah, man.
Fast and Furious, well, you gonna blow a damn tire if you fucking go out on the street.
Right.
Let's look now. Anyone here ride an ATV before?
Yep.
Yes.
No. Never? Oh, listen up. If you never ride an ATV before, I want to listen very good for me, please. Alright, this ATV right here is fully automatic. All you have to do is just push the go and pull the stop. That's all. Push the go and pull the stop. Right over here, the gas to go.
That's how you go, right? Come on over here, ladies.
Right over here.
Oh, y'all come on over here, ladies.
Don't do us.
Come on over here, ladies. I'm gonna be sitting there trying to look like, how I make it go? Okay?
So I'm gonna be gone. The tour, and then the drag strip. Oh yeah, they're getting it popping. Snap. Yep. You come out here and run them. And it's got like a track. It's a track over there. Yeah, it's a track. So not only can you drag strip, you can do some road coursing at the Jam West Speedway. Come on. All right, so we out after the white party. Man, the next day, everybody survived. Nobody was too hungover. And then we decided to do a little adventurous, do some zip lining, ATVing. So first you had to do a little bit of test on the test track to make sure you knew what you was doing. Some people passed, some people didn't. But I ain't gonna name no names. Y'all know who y'all are. But then after that, they let us get out there and have some fun. So we got to open it up, hit them straightaways, hit them corners, you know, but the bad thing about it, they wouldn't let us pass each other. So a lot of y'all would have got left in the dust, but still, it was a great time. Nobody got hurt.
Yeah, this would have been a bit much for you. Yeah, Mike. Huh?
Drop their phone.
there, man? Handling it. You hold it down up there. You all right up there, T-Dot?
Hey man, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Right.
Man, we out here riding. I don't know what the fuck they talking about. Y'all better keep up with me. There's a couple guys doing some
Look,
things.
you see the sparkle on them? That's right, because we putting in work. Putting in work.
That's work.
Gave up on the ride.
Yeah, I had to get a real ATV ride. Homeboy was burning out, spinning out.
Yeah, he was. She was road. He was taking care of. Vanna, you holding it down. You riding yourself, ain't you? Hell yeah. Can you hold it down on the ride?
You got that right.
You're right. She ain't scared. Right. So to the YouTube channel. So the YouTube guys doing
yeah,
things.
man, Jamaica, Jam West, nothing but the best.
Facts.
Yeah, man, we say in Jamaica, one love.
One
God
love.
bless.
Yes.
Up, we were the #1 people.
Facts.
Yeah. Up.
Stay tuned for part 3. We got a little loose out there on the Caribbean Sea. As you can see, we partying, we jumping. It was a blast, man. If y'all get a chance, I ain't playing. Y'all better get out the country and go to the grill or just Jamaica in general. It is too much fun.